Hey beautiful people, it's Didi here again and you're welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing amazing. If you're new here, kindly hit on that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by to support your girl. So I came across this video, and by the way, we are heading to Norway. I came across this video and I thought to check it out. I mean, it says Norway is freezing. Massive snowstorm hits southern Norway. From this title, I really hope it's not something really bad, but let's just check it out together.
A massive snowstorm hit southern Norway, most municipalities along the coast, including Kristiansand, Lillesand, Tvedestrand, Riser and Arendal, had decided to keep schools closed at least through Wednesday because of the weather conditions.
Avkortning hvis dere ikke har måkt taket. Han styrte opp.
Wow. Oh my.
The Red Cross made extra ambulances available in case of emergencies, and more than a dozen snowmobiles were put into service to transport medical teams if necessary. The snow had kept falling through the night and Tuesday, forcing shutdown of local train lines, including Arendalsbanen, portions of Sørlandsbanen and Vestfoldbanen farther north.
On the rooftop, like surviving. And clearly this is this year, January 2024.
State meteorologists had issued warnings of heavy snow accompanied by strong winds, and the storms set in as expected on New Year's Eve. By New Year's Day, transport of all types was disrupted, and thousands of residents in the southwestern county of Agder lost their electricity.
How would they be light with all of this? This is massive now.
The snow outside homes in Grimstad, better known as a popular summer holiday destination, was well above knee level, while downtown Kristiansand appeared all but inundated. Driving was otherwise discouraged all over southern Norway, with local mayors urging people to just stay home. Reduced service continued on important crosstown bus lines, but even the tram from downtown up to the hills at Frognerseteren, a popular skiing destination, had to shut down early Monday afternoon. The weather was worse along the coast than in the mountains, where many roads stayed open. Motorists had to wait in long lines to join escorted convoys.
Anne son durum bu işte bak. Gelin. Norveç'e gelmeyin.
Wow, this looks bad. Like, I really hope it's not as bad as it looks here. I mean, how are they surviving? Especially the kids, like the children. Isn't it too cold for them? The babies. Oh no. Looking at this is really massive. I hope they are really taken care of. Like, I hope they are safe.
Bak, bak. Her taraf kar. Bak, 1 metre kar var.
State meteorologists extended their warnings for heavy snow and difficult transport conditions through Wednesday, when temperatures were due to plummet in line with a new cold front moving in. Oslo residents are among those warned of frigid temperatures well into next week.
Men ned hit, og så kan han se selv, og vi har prøvd å ta oss inn derfra og derfra. Ja, nå skal jeg berge den ungen min her ut.
Wow, this is too much.
Thick layers of 70 centimeters of snow shrouded southern Norway, specifically in Arendal, in just one day. According to the weather forecast, there would be an additional 40 centimeter of snowfall. Due to heavy snow,
No.
local authorities shut down schools and kindergartens for safety.
Yeah.
The large volume of snowfall paralyzed mail delivery and interrupted garbage collection services. Residents were recommended to instead work remotely because of the hazardous weather conditions. The severity of the situation along the coast exceeded those in the mountains. Fortunately, roads managed to remain operational. The last time we had minus 20 at Blinden in Oslo was in 2010. So if we get such a low temperature, it has been 14 years since the last time it was this cold, said Martin Granerod, meteorologist at the Norwegian Meteorological Institute, to NRK. Rain fell in Sørlandet. The coast was exposed to winds and large amounts of snow. The Home Guard, the Red Cross and the Civil Defense helped municipalities to maintain life and health, and ploughing crews worked tirelessly to keep the roads safe. On Thursday, the rain and winds calmed down to a large extent, and snow removal work was in full swing.
ये हमारा ये देखिए कैसे पहाड़ बने हुए हैं, ये सारे भी रास्ता बनाया है वहाँ.
Oh my. I mean, I love snow here, but this is looking bad. Like, this is too much. How are they surviving? How are they coping? Isn't it too much for them? I hope they're really doing okay. Please stay safe, people of Southern Norway. Like, I'll see you all in my next video. Have fun. Bye.